Hello, in this video I will show you how to make umbrella symbol in MS Word or the shortcut keys to insert umbrella symbols in MS Word. I have opened the on-screen keyboard, and in the first method you need to press the Alt key, and on the numeric side keypad press 9730 and release the Alt key, and here you can see that the umbrella symbol has been inserted here. And here you can change the color and make it green. In the second method you have to write 1F302 and then Alt X. Here you can see that another umbrella symbol is inserted here. In the third method you need to type word 2614 and press Alt X. So here you can see that the rain umbrella symbol is inserted. In the fourth method you have to write 2602 and Alt X. So here you can see that the umbrella symbol is inserted here. So in this four ways you can easily insert umbrella on your MS Word document. So I hope you have understand how to make umbrella symbol in MS Word. So if you think the video is supportive and useful, please support my channel and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.